Hello students. So let's begin with today's lecture. Yesterday we had studied construction of a triangle. Then by doing this activity we had studied that for construction of a triangle it is necessary that three dimensions should be given to you. Three things, for example, either three lengths or length of two sides and one angle, at least this much should be given. Then first topic in this heading we are doing to construct a triangle with the lengths of its three sides. How to construct a triangle when the length of three sides is given. In that we have seen one example of triangle XYZ where XY was 6 cm, YZ was 4 cm and XZ was 5 cm. Then we constructed a triangle which looks like this. First draw a rough figure, and from the rough figure we can easily draw the fair one. First draw the base, then take compass, take 5 cm distance in the compass, mark an arc from X, take 4 cm distance, keep on Y and mark an arc and join this intersection point to X and to Y. Now see here what they have done. A similar construction can be drawn on the other side of the base as shown below. यहाँ हमने क्या किया है, बेस के ऊपर ट्राइंगल बनाया है. What they are saying now, बेस की दूसरी साइड मतलब नीचे वाली साइड में भी ट्राइंगल बना सकते हैं. तो इससे क्या होगा कि ये तो नहीं होगा कि ये दोनों ट्राइंगल्स अलग है, दे आर एग्जैक्टली सेम. जैसे पहले एग्जाम्पल में हुआ था कि हमको थर्ड साइड मालूम नहीं थी, तब सी दिस एक्टिविटी, जब हमको थर्ड साइड मालूम नहीं थी तो अलग अलग एंगल पे हमने ट्राइंगल बनाया था और वो अलग अलग दिख रहा था. बट यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है, मेजरमेंट्स आर एग्जैक्टली सेम. अगर ये दो ट्राइंगल्स को कट करेंगे और एक के ऊपर एक रखेंगे तो वो एग्जैक्टली सेम रहेंगे, खाली इसका डायरेक्शन चेंज किया है. ये बेस के ऊपर बनाया है, ये बेस के नीचे बनाया है. Understood? Now we will start with practice set 2. Practice set 2. In that first example we will take. Okay. So you also have to solve this in your notebook from practice set 2. First example is draw triangles with the measures given below. First one is in triangle ABC. मतलब triangle को नाम देना है ABC, जिसमें AB रहेगा 5.5 सेंटीमीटर, BC will be 4.2 centimeter and AC will be 3.5 centimeter. So always first draw a rough figure. Rough figure we will draw with pencil. No need of using scale. You can use scale also, but no need. We don't have to measure the rough figure exactly. So as I told you, generally we take the longer side as base. So suppose this is AB 5.5 centimeter. Then BC is 4.2 centimeter. BC 4.2 centimeter and AC छोटा है इसलिए BC को थोड़ा लॉन्ग लिया AC से 3.5 centimeter. So approximately our triangle will look like this. Now we will start with the actual procedure. So for that first we will draw a side of 5.5 centimeter. So take a scale. See here it is 5 and the fifth line after 5, 5 के बाद वाली पांचवी line, that will be your 5.5 centimeter. तो यहाँ एक डॉट दीजिए, 0 पे एक डॉट दीजिए and join the two dots. Then write down their measurement, compulsory 5.5 centimeter. Then the name of this side is AB. Name of the side is AB. Then we have to draw AC 3.5 centimeter. So what I told you, on rough side of your page take 3.5. So this is 0, give here a dot. This is 3.5, ये यहाँ है 3.5, give here a dot. डॉट दे दिया. Now keep the compass here and keep the pencil on the second dot. ये हो गया आपका 3.5. This is the distance 3.5. Keep the compass on point A, क्योंकि हमें A से 3.5 सेंटीमीटर चाहिए. So we will keep the compass on point A and give an arc. Pencil should be sharp. Okay. Now second side is 4.2 centimeter. So again we will keep here. This is 0. Give a dot. 4.2 मतलब 4 के आगे की सेकेंड लाइन. This is your 4.2. Exact लेना है. Now keep the compass on this dot and pencil on the other dot. Like this. See, this is 4.2. Keep the compass on point B and give an arc. Now darken this point of intersection of the two arcs. Point of intersection को डार्क करो. ये पॉइंट है आपका C पॉइंट. सो AC ज्वाइन करो, देन ज्वाइन BC. How much is AC? 3.5. So write down here 3.5 centimeter. And BC you have to write 4.2 centimeter. This is your triangle with the given measures. ट्राइंगल को नाम देना कंपलसरी है और ये मेजरमेंट्स लिखना भी कंपलसरी है. नाउ वी विल टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल क्विकली. द सेकेंड वन. इन ट्राइंगल STU. In triangle STU, ST is 7 centimeter, TU is 4 centimeter and SU is 5 centimeter. So we will start drawing the second one. First we will draw the rough figure. Okay. So how much is ST? ST 7 centimeter. So a big segment ST 7 centimeter. Then how much is TU? TU मतलब T से start होगा. TU is 4 centimeter. And SU is 5 centimeter. So SU will be 5 centimeter. This is your rough figure. थोड़ा सा line straight draw करेंगे. Okay. Now we will start the actual construction. First step, draw the base. Draw the base. So keep your scale here. Give one dot at 7 and one more dot at 0. Join the two dots between 0 and 7. This will be your ST. Draw करते ही तुरंत उसका नाम लिखना है पहले. Then write the measurement 7 centimeter. Now from S to U it is 5 centimeter. So keep here 0, 5. Okay. Take your compass. Keep one point here and the pencil tip on the other point. So this is your 5 centimeter. Okay. Keep on S because from S it is 5 centimeter. So keep on the point S and give one arc. Arc थोड़ा बड़ा हुआ तो भी चलेगा. Second one we have to take 4 centimeter. So take a 0 here. 4 is here. Remove the scale. Place the compass. Reduce the length in the compass. See, exactly it is 4 centimeter. Keep on point T and give an arc. Now what we will do? Darken this point. Okay, and join. Give it a name U. Join TU and join SU. Write down the measurements. SU is 5 centimeter, TU is 4 centimeter. So this is your fair figure. Now question number C is your homework. Then see the second question. Draw an isosceles triangle with base 5 centimeter and the other sides 3.5 centimeter. तो isosceles triangle means what? One side is different and remaining two sides are equal. तो ये लेना है आपको 5 सेंटीमीटर और रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स लेना है आपको 3.5 एंड 3.5 और इसको अपने मन से कोई भी नाम देना है. सपोज PQR. This is homework. Draw an equilateral triangle with side 6.5 centimeter. Equilateral triangle means what? All the three sides of the triangle are congruent. तो रफ फिगर में क्या बनाएंगे आप? 6.5, 6.5, 6.5 और इसको अपने मन से कुछ भी नाम दे दीजिए. सपोज XYZ. So these two are your homework. 1, 2, 3. Now fourth one. Choose the length of the sides yourself and draw one equilateral triangle, one isosceles triangle and one scalene triangle. This is also homework. अपने मन से कोई भी लेंथ सिलेक्ट कीजिए और एक इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल बनाइए. इक्विलैटरल ट्राइंगल मीन्स तीनों साइड सेम चाहिए. सपोज आपने सिलेक्ट किया 4 सेंटीमीटर तो तीनों 4 बनाइए. वन आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल मीन्स ऐसा, बेस अलग और रिमेनिंग टू साइड्स सेम. और एक स्केलीन ट्राइंगल मतलब ये ऐसा, तीनों साइड का मेजरमेंट डिफरेंट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क. सो कंप्लीट योर प्रैक्टिस सेट 2 इन योर नोटबुक. ओके, थैंक यू.